welcome back. For our next applique, we're going to work on the holly, and we are going to use our Premier Basics DK appropriately in the color holly to get started. As we have been, we're working with our 3.25 millimeter hook, and I'm going to start with a chain of 12 according to my pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 12. So now we're going to work into the back bumps of this chain that I made. So I'm just going to turn it over, and you see those little bumps that are kind of ridges, and we're going to just insert our hook underneath that one ridge. So this is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. So my pattern tells me I want to work a single crochet into the back bump of that chain. So just under that one bump, and work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now into the next chain, I want to work a half double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over and again go underneath that bump, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now I want to work a double crochet in the next one, under that bump, and a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now in the next 2 chains, we are going to work a treble. So treble is yarn over twice, insert under that bump, yarn over again, pull through. Now I have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's a treble. So we'll do one more of those. Yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So we have a single, a half double, a double, and 2 trebles. And now we're going to do a double in each of the next 2. So a double and a double, and then a half double in each of the next 2. Okay, and then single crochet in the next chain. And now in the last chain, we're going to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3, all into that same chain. Okay, so now my pattern tells me to rotate my piece and begin working along the chain edge. So let's just rotate here. So now I'm just going to begin working the next set of stitches along this chain edge, okay? So it's kind of like the opposite end of where we started. And we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, and then we're going to half double crochet in the next 2. So that's going to be this one, half double, and half double, and then double in each of the next 2. So work a double and a double. It can be a little tricky to get into the opposite end of that chain edge because remember we worked already a set of stitches in there. And now we're going to do a treble in each of the next 2. So yarn over twice, treble, so treble and treble, And then we're going to end with a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Here's a double in this next chain, and then a half double, and then in the very last one, a single. And then we'll end with a slip stitch into the turning chain. Okay, now we'll move on to round 2, and I'm going to work a slip stitch and a chain 3 in this very first single crochet. So slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch in next 2 stitches. So slip stitch and slip stitch.